A shadow crosses the ground. By the time prey hears it, it's already too late. Argentavis, the largest flying bird that ever lived. 23-foot wingspan, 170 pounds. It couldn't sustain powered flight, so it didn't try. Every morning, it would step off a cliff and catch thermals rising from the plains below, soaring for hours, never flapping. When it spotted prey 2,000 feet below, it would fold its wings and drop until impact. For 6 million years, nothing heard it coming. Now picture 80 creatures like this. 4 hours of forgotten giants, designed for deep sleep. Link below.